Do you guys want to know why Ramadan has been going by so quickly? Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I am so glad that you clicked on this video because I have something very exciting to share with you all today. Very quickly before we start this video, I want to give a huge thank you to all of you who are subscribed to me and who are watching these videos. I really appreciate that you are checking out some of the other videos that are not fashion related. Since I am a small YouTuber and I'm trying to make my way into this very full world of YouTube content creators, I am so appreciative of you clicking on this video and giving me your support. So please remember to subscribe if you are not, and give this video a like so that the algorithm can do its thing. Thank you so much. So for this video, I want to say Eid Mubarak to all of my Muslim brothers and sisters out there. This Ramadan has gone by so fast. Do you guys want to know why Ramadan has been going by so quickly? It's because we fast.
No.
Oh, I just wanted to throw in that joke for you. It's been a joke that my family and I have been using with each other to give us a little lighthearted moment. But okay, enough of all of that. Let's get into today's video. For this video, I wanted to share with you guys something that I was so excited to find on Instagram. I was just perusing one day and I was able to find this wonderful subscription box, VeildbyMaryam, that is the first ever hijab subscription box out there. So thank you so much, Miriam, for being the genius that was able to create this, because I absolutely love subscription boxes. If anybody can get me anything for my birthday, like, I love getting subscription boxes because it's like a present you bought for yourself, but you don't know what you're going to get because it's already been curated for you. So when I found out that Miriam had created one for hijabs and hijabis, and this one specifically is the Eid box, so I'm just so excited. Let's just get right into it and open it and see what it looks like. Here's the first glance. I haven't even opened it yet. What do we got? Oh, this is so cute. We wish you a happy Eid, inshallah. I love it. Eid Mubarak on these two cards. And right at the top, we have some stickers. Happy Eid and hijab. I absolutely adore these. These are so cute. Okay, and then we have some thank you stickers. Thank you for creating this. Okay, very carefully. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay. Here we go. What do we see? I love all of these nude colors. This is absolutely adorable. I love this. Oh, what do I pick first? Okay, let's do, oh, this is so cute. So we have this very cute bag. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong, my dhikr bag. Arabic is not my first language, but this has inside two cards that share a dua to remember and a tasbih. Oh, this is beautiful. I love tasbihs that are like this. For my non-Muslim friends watching, we use this to give praise to Allah by saying Subhanallah or Allahu Akbar. So this is gorgeous. I am so happy to have this in my collection. I know I already have a few of them, but I'm so excited to have this cute pink one. Okay, the next thing we have is this hair tie. Or the next thing we have is this nude scrunchie. Oh, this is so comfortable too. This is going to be great. Some hijabis wear this to kind of give themselves some volume, but obviously you can just wear it on your wrist as well. Ooh, so cute. I love the way she packaged all of this. Maryam, you are absolutely a pioneer. This is so cute. Okay, so this is a gorgeous undercap. I've been like looking for like some more undercaps. I usually wear like white ones, but I've been looking for different ones, and I love the ones that have like the open back. And I love the texture of this and the fact that it's like ribbed, and I believe it's like a jersey material since it has like a stretch to it. This is so adorable. Let's see, we have some more trinkets in here. Oh, this is adorable. There is this keychain with a hijabi woman on it. I love it. I believe this is the original Veiled by Maryam logo on here. Oh my goodness, and I've been needing more of these. As you have been watching my other videos, I got a few of these magnetic pins from Veiled Collections, but they have been like falling apart. So I am so glad to have these pins. They are super strong. As you see, I'm putting it here. This is folded over 4 times and it's holding that much material. Like, these are the amazing pins if you don't want to like ruin your hijab. Like, use the magnetic clips instead of using pins. Love that this is included in here. Okay, let's see. This is also so cute. A little heart with Eid Mubarak on it. And inside, oh, this is so cute. There is some kisses as well as 2 balloons in this cute little bag. Oh, more than 2. We have 2 gold ones with Eid Mubarak on them. Oh, this is gorgeous. And a white one with rose gold Eid Mubarak on it. This is adorable. I love it. Maryam has definitely thought of absolutely everything to put in here. We have 2 more things. It looks like we have 1 more balloon. Let's see, this is a like rose gold balloon. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's a little moon and star. That is so cute. I can't wait to hang it up and decorate for Eid. While I mention that, make sure to check how I decorated my house for Ramadan. And the last thing that we have in here is a beautifully wrapped nude hijab. At least, I think I'm saying the color correctly. I believe this is the new colored hijab. And again, this one's like a jersey color. Kind of matches mine, which is a little cream. Or not jersey color. This is a jersey material, but the color looks almost similar to my cream scarf. So I love this so much. I have 1 more box as a gift to my sister. So let's go see her reaction to this wonderful subscription box. Let's see. Oh, wow. Unveil the complete hijab experience. I want to keep these stickers. I know, I tried to, like, so carefully to open mine too. Okay, let's see what it's like. Cute. It's very pink. Are they all pink, or like can you pick your colors? I mean, she has like a random collection of colors, but they're all kind of like neutral, like pinks and nudes. Let's see. Oh, so cute. I love that color. Yours is like, that one looks a little coral. Yeah, peachy. Yeah. One has a do us to remember. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna keep this. I like the little thing. Okay. It's everything basically that, you know, to keep and reuse. I know, I love it. I'm like, I could use this myself. Don't rip it now. I know this.
Oh, it's 2 kisses. Chocolate, nice for iftar. Oh, it's balloons. Eid Mubarak, goldish, gold color. Cream. I love these. Nice, I'll definitely use this for Eid. It's a lot of stuff in here. It's like not just, you know, a couple items. A keychain.
That's the Veiled by Maryam logo.
I love it. Oh, I think I needed one of these. Yeah, it's like a hair scrunchie. This is gonna get a lot of use. I love it. Oh wow.
Ooh.
Eyelashes veiled by Maryam. I never tried, you know, falsies, I think. So I'm definitely gonna try these on. I've been wanting to, but I've been too. Nude matte hijab pins. I need new
The
ones.
magnet clips, yeah. I know, I was saying I needed new ones too.
And then I like this color because the ones I have currently are gold. Oh, and I think this is a cap, which I definitely need. You could never have too many of these. Yes. One's like a, looks like it's a very cooling material. Oh, I like it. I like the color too. Because I'm trying to go all natural colors. And a scarf.
Ooh, what material is your scarf?
I don't know. It looks like that Vicose, I think. What's it called? I don't know if it says it. I like their logos and everything. It's very pink. I think I might have to give this one to you. Since
I know you can see my box and we can maybe make trades.
If I have anything. Oh,
Is
no.
that it?
That's it, but that's a lot. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think like 8, 9 items.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
That is a lot for like a subscription box.
Yeah.
Like that's a lot of items.
Wow.
And they're all high quality.
Thank you so much. I love it.
You're welcome. Eid Mubarak, sister. Kisses. And by any chance, Maryam, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for creating this box. And I cannot wait to check out what else you have. For everyone else watching this video, thank you so much for tuning in and for supporting me. And if you're a Muslim sister or brother out there watching this, Eid Mubarak, and have a wonderful holiday with your family. Bye, friends.